Hello and welcome. You're watching the Bosco Media Network. This is Monlisa Rambai, bringing you the news and events from Meghalaya. Let us take a look at the headlines for today. St. John's Jintru bids farewell to Class 10 students. Police Commemoration Day observed at Ampati. 2 more leaders joined the AITC at Tura. And KSU and Hito observed 34th death anniversary of Wycliffe's aim. And now the news in detail. The management, teachers and students of St. John's Secondary School Jintru organized a recreation week from October 18 to 21st with various extracurricular activities and at the same time to bid farewell to the Class 10 students who are going to appear in the final HSLC examination next year. Local MLA Shri Jason S. Maulong was the chief guest on the closing day. While speaking as the chief guest, Shri Maulong advised the students to apply their minds studiously to their studies to equip themselves with knowledge so that they can stand in your own feet in the future. Education does not mean that you should get government jobs, he said. He also praised the teachers for their dedication to mold the characters of the students, and at the same time, he expressed his appreciation at the efforts of parents who sacrifice themselves to educate their children. As a good gesture, he contributed rupees 2 lakhs towards the development programs of the school.
Peter Strong, what did you have to do with guy? Market you don't need to so that can you make but day but it run it is but the one who away example, but the farmer to do a bar of a killer. Kajuk cut the night of hair. Come this Kajuk Momishwa. Balik om ni suka cuma musa. Kajuk om musa kalau mak kabasuk apa dia okam macam. Tanpa transfer lah okam macam. Tanpa BA mana-mana lah okam macam. Untuk master degree musa. Kat nanya kapor kapher. Kajuk mu cuma kalau mak. Kajing nang kajing start ni dia berbu Ahmad. But mapi kita pasang ni. Dan ikmi kita di bedal ni. Kim dia mungkin cukai patang kam sorka. Kalau mai pi. Jadi nunggu tak kerja jisah. Fili hari ini sini kalau puno, kau ini post kalau yang kamu suka, kino yang tiap sepuluh hajar tu. Kami itu musuh. Kalau mu cuma mau berbuat ni kalau bang, nak ni kerja nang di start tapi yo, yang kerja jauh lagi.
To mark the supreme sacrifices made by the nation's police and CAPF personnel during the line of duty, the Southwest Garo Hills Police on the 21st October observed the Police Commemoration Day at Police Station Compound Ampati in the presence of Deputy Commissioner G. Kharmauplang and Superintendent of Police of Southwest Garo Hills, Steve Rinja. Various ranks of District Executive Force DEF along with police personnel gathered on the occasion, standing with their heads bowed in memory of their colleagues who laid down their lives in the line of duty. The Police Commemoration Day is observed on 21st October every year as Martyrs' Day in all police forces of India. The day commemorates the sacrifices of 10 Indian policemen who sacrificed their lives while defending the borders with China at Hot Springs, Ladakh in 1959. Meghalaya Trinamool Congress announced that Shri Sengnal and Sangma and Shri Bishal Areng joined the party today in the presence of Trinamool Congress Legislative Party Leader and Leader of Opposition, Meghalaya Legislative Assembly, Dr. Mukul Sangma, Meghalaya TMC Chokpot, MLA Lazarus Sangma, Meghalaya TMC State Mahila President Selma D. Shira, Meghalaya TMC West Garo Hills District Convener Richard Marak, and other significant party leaders at our West Garo Hills District Party Office, Tura.
Asimang ang ligaman na menu kaya siyo anseng ni terlupa chairman ba namin akan jok adalah anseng copot ni media akan jok lalu ada sanksi na ba tunga patang kemen semua ini ya signal ada NPP ni MDC cum lalu mana TMC ni dipakai. I'm new to TMC. Nawanga TMC ni betul ada karena manjana apa tunga. Tapi I'm not new to Dr. Mukul. He is a best chief minister, best leader. Anga dalo TMC na join ka. Anga anseng ni Dr. Sangma ko nagkaze he is a visionary leader. Aro main principle responsibility ko daito ko mamang salaba share ka gizaba leader.
On October 21st, leaders of Khasi Students Union KSU and Nyotrep Integrated Territorial Organization HITO observed the 34th death anniversary of Wycliffe's aim by lecture and garlanding wreaths on his bust at Sopian near Nongstoin. On this occasion, HITO leaders recalled the manly character shown by Wycliffe's aim by refusing to be one of the signatories to sign the instrument of accession to merge Nongstoin's aimship with the Union of India in 1948.
Ta ka jing lai lu cho ka bri nyau trap bra koi bri bom chu pendam hakano kalan hakano kaliang ke ngi na ka sang ni khen ya ka jing kran jong u na ka jing ya nti jong u ka dei ka babyang ba ka kam dei ka balai ta ka daw ngi na ka sang ni bot ya ka limpi ka dustor jong u hakano kaliang bu ya nomor bengitep ba ka nomor bengitep ba ka por kalong shwa ka menor ngitep ba ngi khasi la sunap tang sungloi tang suloi la penap tang bangin ya kongu bangin ya san barka ayu
ina kaliang ka hito sengpi di mata kasgi tilapan patoi akan Shillong Nongstoin konwan ban bu yo usentio nakamta ka lungkhu sngiyap ka balai kusau jong u paim Wycliffe's di ngina kaliang ka hito kathong hi kalong ba nginbot kanuksan u kumba mo u la yakhun nakamta ka riba ka jai benreu ko jongi bat sibon ba bola no senyang nak mta kari ba kajai pendreu jungi tingi don kathong bangin bot kanuksan u bat nakadinjat ke jombo.
So viewers, that is all we have for you today. Until we meet again, thank you for watching.